welcome back to the shop. It's Monday, the 8th of April, 2019.
Hi, everybody.
Oh, that's some good tea. Just made it.
Awesome tea.
Good sweet tea. All right, guys, let's stop talking about tea and let's talk about this week in the shop and projects completed. All righty, we cleaned off the front porch of the shop and cleaned off all those tables, so now we actually have a place to work out there. So everything's looking good, and again, bonus, we got a place to work. We cleaned up the shop a little bit.
Yes, we did.
We had tree parts everywhere, but we got all that cleaned up, and we'll talk more about that in just a little bit. Mom did a pretty good job on cleanup of the trailer, our show trailer. She got it pretty much ready. One or two other things we might have to do to it, but for the most part, I think it'll be ready for me to do some work on it here. Loretta finished refinished a couple of her tables that we had taken to previous shows. Why don't you tell us why you did that and what all we did?
Well, they had scratches on them, that and there was a leak in the top of the trailer. And since they had cardboard on them, the cardboard kind of molded the top of the tables. So what I did is I sanded them down with this new sandpaper we found at, where did we go to find this?
We got this at Home Depot.
Home Depot. It's called Sand Net, and it's an advanced sanding technology. It's actually a mesh. It's not like regular sandpaper that has sand actually attached to it, so it scratches it. So when it sands, it does this wonderful, beautiful, fine finish. So once you finish sanding and you wipe it all down and you put the polyurethane on it, it's like glass. It's so beautiful.
It's some really
so I'm going to buy some more of this because this is some awesome stuff.
Yeah, how you like that? That's it.
And it says it lasts 10 times longer than regular sandpaper too.
And it's by Diablo, and y'all know how I like the Diablo blades. So some really good stuff here. So we'll probably be using this, swapping over to that. If you'd like to get some where I got mine.
And this is
from
for
a wife near you. There you go. All right.
And this is for an orbital sander, a hand orbital sander, which does fine finishing.
That's a fantastic job. I was really, really impressed. We got some slabs ready to go to the auction. Our good friend Sunset Auction. So I called them, and guess what? The auction was full. They weren't going to have room for us, which worked out good because we went the same night to James and the Giant Peach to see the play up there. Had a great time. That was really, really a good play.
It was really a fantastic play.
I see our stuff up on the stage. And we had a really good time. I'd like to thank our
Doodlebug
for that. Doodlebug went with us, so we went with Butterbean, me, Mama, Tangy went, and Bula showed up. So we had a great time. It was like homecoming for Bula, all our friends there.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, let's move on. Let's talk about upcoming for Two Dogs. We're going to have to revamp the James and the Giant Giant Peaches tree. When we built it for our good friend Mickey, she wanted kind of about a 10-foot tall tree. And it looked like it was about dead and needed to be cut down because if you know the story, James was supposed to chop down the peach tree and didn't, and good things happened from there. Now, for our good friend Lauren, who's doing Alice in Wonderland, she wants a tree. She wants a big, strong, powerful tree. Where James
it's going to sit out front.
James and Giant Peach, the tree set off in the back and was kind of just kind of back there. This one's going to be out front. It's going to be a major part of the place, so we're going to make a big, nice tree. We've already started on that project, and we're working on it right now.
We got to have it delivered by the 23rd.
That's right. We picked this up yesterday, our James and the Giant Peach tree, and we've started working on it. We're widening it. We're going to make it a couple of feet taller on the trunk and a bunch taller on the limbs, more powerful, stronger looking limbs. We're going to start on Daniel and Kimmy's outside table that we're building off one of them wire spools. You know those big old spools people used to get all the time back in the 70s and stuff. Power company keeps wire on. We're going to get one of those made into a table. Then we're going to plan and draw those plant stands we talked about before for Mama's good friend at work. She's going to be using them in a wedding. We got to get those planned and drawn out, but we're not going to start building them until the end of the month, first of next month. And then we got to discuss for just a minute videos. That's right, videos. We have tried several times to actually do build videos, and it's very difficult with our schedules, with our build schedules, our work schedules, to actually sit down and edit a long video. What we'd like to know is, would you like to see kind of snippets of the projects that we're doing as we go along? Maybe just kind of put them in a rough full-length video at the end. Hadn't decided on that. But the big thing is it'll give you snippets of things that we're doing in the shop almost daily as we're doing them. So probably see videos every 2 to 3 days, but smaller, shorter videos. Let us know. Please let us know in the comments below if you'd like to see us do that. If not, if we don't get a good response, then we probably won't do it. But let us know. Alrighty guys, let's move on. It really is good tea. Well, that is about it for this evening. Do you have anything, Loretta?
Just going to say that we really had a great time at James and the Giant Peach. The musical was fantastic. The cast was phenomenal singers. We are going to be working on some new stuff, which is the tree, and hopefully future projects as well. We're going to keep in contact with her. So if y'all haven't seen one of the plays, or one of the musical plays, please try to stop by and pick one of those up. That would be great.
Those are great. We really would like to tell our good friend Mickey Lubbock that we really enjoyed the play. And if you haven't seen a play from the Musical Theater Workshop in Martinez, we kind of encourage you to give them a call, see when their next play is going to be, and see about getting some tickets and come out and supporting these fine actors.
Well, we know when the next play is going to be.
No, that's not musical theater there.
That's not musical theater. That's Lauren's. Yeah.
Play. So you'll need to get with Mickey at the Musical Theater Workshop, Martinez, kind of find out when her next play is. Mickey, we look forward to working with you again real soon. We had a ball. Alrighty, I really think that is about it for this evening. As always, we'd like to say thank you for watching the video. And remember, we'd love to see you back in the shop.